Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing for weekly automotive mechanical content for the average shade tree mechanic. All right, guys, so glad to be back. What I have today, and I'm going to get straight into it, is installing these speakers, the exact same speakers that I installed on my rear doors. I got another set so that I can install them on the front doors. I'll go ahead and post the link in the description below. This is going to be a very straightforward process. And so I'd like to just show y'all real quick how to do it. And obviously I have infinity tweeters, the 3-inch speakers, 3.5-inch speakers in the dash, and then I have these same ones in the rear. These are phenomenal. You can't go wrong. So if you want to take my advice and actually check them out and install them in your truck, go ahead and check the link in the description below. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys, so first step, what you want to do is use a T20 and take off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plastic T20 small bolts, and then you want to pop this out. That'll work. All right, next what you're going to want to do is actually pop this out right here, and then there's going to be a screw. There's going to be a there's going to be a screw Phillips. You want to go ahead and take that out, take this off, and then we should be able to remove the door and push that up. Also remember, take off these small circles, these tabs that secure the other plastic tabs before moving on. You're gonna have to unclip the module right here. It's just one clip. Alright guys, so real quick for this clip, there's a red securing clip. This needs to be pulled out and then pressed in and pull this out, and that's exactly what you're gonna have to do to remove this clip. So next step, what we're gonna have to do is remove 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, and you're gonna take that off with a 5mm socket. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick, and then we'll go ahead and replace this speaker out. All right guys, so what you need in order to make this process super smooth and plug and play is you need this set right here, Metra 726514. What this does is actually help you connect the speaker with these two already pre-sliced and secured wires, as well as the factory plug that's on the bottom that you cannot see. Here it is right there. Alright, so very simple process. It'll be worth your buck just to make it easier so you don't have to go through the entire process of wiring. So we're gonna go ahead and use this to connect the speaker, use the adapter, and get that speaker on the door. And here it is. Small one goes to the small link, larger one goes to the larger link. Okay guys, so there are 4 screws that come with the actual speakers. They'll be using 4 obviously. Here's the adapter, here's the spacer that I was talking about, and then I put some, soundproofing just right off the corners where these mounting positions are going to be. You don't really need it throughout the entire speaker. Really where they mount down are the most important spots. Now you could put it if you want, but essentially what I'm going to do is just go ahead and tighten it. But before you tighten it, make sure you test your speaker, all right, so that you don't have to obviously remove it and figure out what's going on with the wiring. So make sure you do that first before tightening up the speaker onto the door. Alright guys, everything's tightened up. One thing I did want to make note is there's a small button right there. Now if it's depressed, it's plus 0 decibels. If it's pressed in, it says plus 3 decibels. So one thing I do need to take a look at before. Alright guys, just catching a quick breath. It's pretty hot, it's really humid outside, so I'm just inside being lazy and getting cooled down. So essentially that is the entire process of upgrading your front speakers. Very simple. Really the hardest part is really trying to decide which speaker to go with. I mean, there's so many options. I tried Infinity, loved it, so I'm sticking with Infinities on all doors and the dash of my truck. So if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and let me know below. But until next time, ciao.
Perfect.